And I've probably gone over most of the black, so I'll have to come back with that. But I did want to get the eyes exactly right, because her eyes, in the one photo she'd just woken up, and so her eyes were half closed. And others, she was kind of staring at me because the tin of cat food was on the table and she wanted to know why I wasn't opening it. And so her eyes were kind of slitty, kind of had that slit look in them, like, come on, get on with it now. And then finally I got the big round eyes, and that's when her head was suddenly at an angle to the left. So I didn't want to use that photograph. So thank you for watching. I think I'm going to leave it there. If I do make any more changes, I will take another photograph at the end. Bye for now, and please like and comment.